James, so much time has passed. Something's happened. Please come back to our place. Love, Mary.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
You're not from here, are you?
I'm looking for someone.
Everyone got sick in Silent Hill. You really never heard about any of this? James.
We have to get to her before it's too late.
Didn't you, Jimmy? You woke him up.
All the darkness, you can't give it away.
Where is she?
No one said it would be easy.
What you're doing, it won't be enough to save her. You don't know what kind of hell you have to face.
Mary. They keep telling me to move on.